If your semi-truck feels weak or has turbo lag, delayed throttle response, or your fuel mileage keeps dropping, don't assume it's the turbo. It could be a boost leak, and a small boost leak can slowly cost you thousands. Here's what happens. Your turbo builds compressed air and sends it through the charge air system into the engine. If there's a leak anywhere in the system, a cracked hose, loose clamp, split boot, damaged intercooler, or even a small seam leak, you're losing air before it reaches the cylinders. Now the ECM sees less air than expected. So what does it do? It adds more fuel to try to compensate. Now your air-fuel ratio is off. The truck may still run, but it's not running efficiently. That's when you start noticing low power under loads, slower boost build, poor fuel mileage, black smoke, repeated after-treatment issues. And here's where it gets expensive. That inefficient combustion creates excessive soot. That soot doesn't just disappear. It builds up in your EGR system, it loads your DPF faster, it contaminates sensors. Now you're chasing faults, regens get longer, and repairs start stacking up. In our shop, we pressure test the charge air system as part of our diagnostic process, even when it's not specifically required on OEM troubleshooting steps. Because we've seen too many trucks get misdiagnosed. Turbos replaced, sensors replaced, actuators replaced, when the real issue was a boost leak. If your truck has turbo lag, delayed power, dropping fuel mileage, inconsistent boost, or repeat soot-related issues, it's worth having the charge air system properly tested before replacing expensive components. A small leak can turn into a big bill if ignored.